Controversy's favorite child, who are we talking about? It is Sam Pitroda, because now he's back as the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress Chief, as he has now stepped down earlier from his position willingly in the middle of the Lok Sabha elections after drawing a lot of flack over his remarks when it comes to India's diversity, which had certain racist overtones. The Congress party had accepted his resignation back then, hoping to contain the damage. Senior party leaders then called the analogies drawn by Sam Pitroda as most unfortunate and unacceptable. The party also distanced itself. But soon after the elections, the results that have been announced, and the Congress party has even formed when it comes to the leader of the opposition position given to Rahul Gandhi, he has now been reinstated. That means Sam Pitroda has been reinstated. That has sparked off a political storm once again. In the meantime, let's get you a breaking update. What we are getting to know, the BJP accusing the Congress party of hoodwinking the people of India, saying that the people of India were fooled to think that Congress party has made a significant decision asking Sam Pitroda to step down. But right after the elections, Sam Pitroda has been reinstated to that similar same position. The BJP highlighting the timing also of his return, saying that it happened on the same day when Rahul Gandhi took over as the leader of the opposition in Parliament.
Well, Sam Pitroda reinstated as the Overseas Congress President. He was never removed. It was just on papers. Sam Pitroda is ideologue of Congress, is think tank of Congress. Hua to hua. This is the true face of the Congress party actually.
राहुल गांधी के लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बनने के बाद पहला बड़ा कदम है कांग्रेस पार्टी का। मतलब राहुल गांधी भारत तोड़ो करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए भारत को बांटने वाली बात करने वाले, भारत में प्रभु श्री राम और प्रभु श्री राम के मंदिर और रामनवमी के खिलाफ बोलने वाले व्यक्ति को राहुल गांधी ने फिर से कांग्रेस पार्टी में न केवल वापसी करवाई, पर उनको सबसे बड़ा पद भी दे दिया।
राहुल गांधी के अभिभावक ओवरसीज कांग्रेस के फिर से अध्यक्ष बना दिए गए हैं। ये राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी की चाल थी। देश की जनता इन्हें पहले से पहचानती थी, इसीलिए चुनाव में कांग्रेस पार्टी राहुल गांधी को जनता ने नकार दिया है।
कांग्रेस ने फिर से साबित किया कि कांग्रेस सिखों से कितना नफरत करती है और अपना दुश्मन मानती है। राहुल गांधी ने, कांग्रेस ने फिर से उस सैम पित्रोदा को, जिसने कभी ये कहा था कि 1984 हुआ तो हुआ, क्या बड़ी बात है, अगर सिख मारे गए तो मारे गए, उसको दोबारा से ओवरसीज का कांग्रेस का चेयरपर्सन बनाया। राहुल गांधी ने स्पष्ट किया है कि जैसे उनके पिता राजीव गांधी सिखों से नफरत करते थे और सिखों को अपना दुश्मन मानते थे, गांधी परिवार के मन में न सिखों के प्रति नफरत कम हुई है और न ही उनको दुश्मन मानने से उन्होंने अभी तक इनकार किया। इसीलिए जो सिखों को मारेगा या सिखों को मारने को जस्टिफाई करेगा, उनके कत्लेआम को, गांधी परिवार उसको पुरस्कार देता है। इसीलिए सैम पित्रोदा को सबसे बड़ा पद ओवरसीज का फिर से चेयरमैन बनाने का काम गांधी परिवार ने किया है।
The BJP in a way has been attacking the Congress party, saying that it seems in a way Sam Pitroda has been rewarded for his controversial comments that he has made in the past. What has actually he said? Let's take you through our viewers one by one. When it comes to on the 24th of May, right in the middle, hot of the election seasons, he said that East Indians resemble like Chinese, West Indians resemble like Arabs, South Indians look like Africans, North Indians resemble whites. There was another controversial statement that was also picked up big time by the BJP, including the Prime Minister, when he mentioned that in the United States, inheritance tax is something that has been imposed where majority of a person's wealth goes to the state. He says that similar form of mechanism should be also be applicable in India. Talking about Ram Mandir itself, where he says that building temples will not solve our problems. But the important one and the most controversial one was made on the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, the massacre that happened, where he said 1984 mein hua to hua. The comment that he made back in 2019. And also in the same year when the Pulwama terror attack happened, it was Sam Pitroda who said that acts like these or attacks like these happen all the time. So as far as the comments that are now concerned regarding him, the BJP says it seems that he is being rewarded for making controversial statements.
We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa. We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Now, even when it comes to a month earlier where he stoked a row by batting for US style of inheritance tax in India, as per which nearly 45% of a person's wealth goes to his family, his children, and majority share of 55% goes to the state. Sam Pitroda said that a similar law should also be discussed and taken up in India as well.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. One has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. These are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss.
But defending his statement on a social media post hours after he was reinstated, Sam Pitroda, however, asserted that his remarks were not racist. But the racist people who had a mindset of a racist mind, it was them who thought that his remarks were racist, if that makes sense. He also said that he wasn't sacked, but he chose to step down willingly. And the Congress party has also now defended Sam Pitroda's statement, with Jairam Ramesh saying that it was Modi campaign, the BJP campaign, that distorted his statements during the elections. He also cited that an assurance that Sam Pitroda has given to the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge that he will not leave any room in the future for making such controversial statements. Interestingly, it was Prime Minister Modi who had predicted Sam Pitroda's return. In an interview to a news channel, the Prime Minister back then had said that Congress makes Sam Pitroda a member of the party only to make controversial statements. And when there is an uproar, he is removed, but that too only for a short time. And it was Prime Minister Modi who predicted that Sam Pitroda will very soon return to his original position. Let me go across to Shivani now. Shivani, good morning to you. Reactions that have been coming in, Congress party first distancing, now supporting Sam Pitroda, giving that promise that in the near future he will not make making such controversial statements. But the BJP says it seems that he has been rewarded for the same.
Amita, Sam Pitroda is known for his controversial remarks, and he has been making such bizarre statements earlier too, and over a dozen such statements are quite recent by Sam Pitroda. But the question here is that why Congress never took action against Sam Pitroda before the remarks came in the middle of the elections. That's what the BJP is also questioning, because when Sam Pitroda was speaking about racism, he was speaking about wealth redistribution in the middle of the election, the Congress was very careful. It feared an impact on the votes and public mood. That is why an action was taken, and he was made to step down as the head of the Indian Overseas Congress. But now, once again, as the elections are over, as Rahul Gandhi takes over as the leader of the opposition in the parliament, he is reappointed. Sam Pitroda, once again, he has been reinstated as the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress, and that's what the BJP is questioning, that why this kind of reinstatement has happened at all. What message does the Congress want to give? While the Congress is making justifications and trying to defend Sam Pitroda by saying that his remarks were distorted, but a lot of reactions are already coming in, Amita. We see that BJP says that a person who made remarks about 1984 victims of the riots by saying hua so hua, taking it so lightly, has been reinstated. That means Congress is anti-Sikh, it is anti-people of the country, and that is what is the new controversy, where the Congress seems to face a lot of embarrassment by reinstatement of Sam Pitroda.
All right.